Hey guys, welcome back into another one of our videos. In this particular video, we're going to be pretty much discussing, analyzing yourself as a person, analyzing your marketers, and even analyzing your business itself. Because that is important in order to be able to create a successful company, is to be able to self-analyze yourself as well and your business. So sometimes the biggest reason why your agency is actually not getting referrals is because of you. And if it's not you, it's your owners, it's your managers, it's your nurses, it's your home health aides, it's that person that's actually picked up the phone today. Those may be the reason why your agency is not getting referrals. This is exactly why companies like myself help agencies like yours so that we can actually train you guys from top to bottom, from middle to the right, from middle to left, or left to right, anterior to posterior, I guess. That's what we're here for, because sometimes you may have the best marketers, but if your support staff, your support team is not delivering, not putting themselves forward, not putting themselves in a position to be able to make your company look good, that is probably why you are not getting referrals. Because one of the things you need to do is to do a self-analyzation. You need to be able to look at yourself, and we actually have a service here at HHSA where we actually do a secret shopping, where we will actually go to your company or call your company and see how the processes are, and to see if they're answering the phone correctly, if they actually know how to answer any particular questions. The question that we ask is this: why do we do this? Why do you want to do this and follow up on your other services? Not just your marketers or liaisons that should be supervised or followed, but the other support staff or the other support services in your company. Put it this way, right? You will be surprised how many agencies that I know have lost referral sources because their receptionist does not even answer the phone correctly. And to be honest, some of the biggest people that commits this problem, that actually commits the mistakes on answering the phones the wrong way, are sometimes the nurses themselves in the facility. Even the owners. Don't pick up the call and say, "What's up? Hello?" Don't pick up the call and say, "Yeah." Or don't pick up the call and say, "Hello." When you pick up that phone call, if somebody calls your company, you need to be able to understand that anybody that calls you can be a potential referral, can be a potential client. And if you answer those calls improperly, they may not refer to you or be inclined to use your services. They may look at you as incompetent. They might just hang up the phone. And of course, if you don't follow up with these referral sources, you never know why they stopped calling you. So make sure that you look in the mirror and you have everyone self-analyze and see if your support staff is actually being able to answer the phones correctly and provide the services. You want to be able to look at what your strengths and weaknesses are. Have a group meeting. Tell everyone that this is an open book, that they should be able to share what they feel are the weaknesses. And everyone's going to want to be able to talk about your strengths, and those are great, rah rah. But the best question to ask is, what is our weakness? Because if that is our weakness, then that is what we need to target. Do you guys have bad phone skills? Do you guys have bad follow-up systems, uneducated staffs, not educated fully on what your services are and what you guys can provide? Are you lacking certain products? Find your strengths and weaknesses, but especially know your weaknesses. The next thing is, let me ask you this. Have you ever refused a particular patient before? Somebody referred a patient to you guys and you told them, "We can't take them." Well, guess what? By you refusing that patient, you are costing yourself money in the near future. Now, I'm not saying take all the bad patients that you're going to be negative on, that you're going to take a loss from because if you take every single one of these patients, just in case they're costly for you. But honestly, sometimes these physicians, these referral sources are actually just trying you out. And if you can prove yourself by taking care of a hard patient, then guess what? More than likely, they're going to be the one who's going to be calling you all the time, because if they know you can take care of hard patients, then they know that you can take great care of the easy patients that makes it profitable for you. So make sure you look into that, where there are particular insurances that you don't accept, whether you're not accepting Medicaid, if you're not accepting particular Blue Cross Blue Shield plans or Aetnas or Humanas, or if you're not accepting any managed care plans. What are the reasons? Are you not accepting certain patients with wound problems because you don't have a good wound team, right? You need to be able to make sure what in the past has caused you not to gain any referrals or deny referrals, right? What's causing this? So if you've literally analyzed where you're lacking, then you know where you need to actually improve. That's what this whole thing is about self-analyzing you and your company in order to be able to find out where you need to get some strengths, whether you need to hire the right people that's going to be able to do the things for you, or set up with a consultant in order to be able to sign up for certain insurances that you can actually start accepting. What do you guys need to do that's going to be able to make you guys grow? That's what I want you guys to start thinking about and self-assessing yourself at this very moment. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment below on this video. Also, always remember that home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.